What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. So if you look down a little bit, you'll see I just reached a little over 1,000 subscribers, and it was no easy task, but I did learn a few things along the way, and I figured it'd be beneficial to not only me but you to talk about kind of how I got those subscribers, some things I found that worked, some things that I found that didn't work, and just some key things to take away to help you build your YouTube channel. So to start, it should come to no surprise when I say you have to post consistently. I think that is the number one biggest factor to gaining a subscriber base, if you will. The first one, I will tell you that the smaller your channel, the harder it is to gain those followers. And something you need to stop being afraid of is asking people to subscribe to your channel. Every subscriber helps you get seen by more people. You know, there is an algorithm behind subscribers and all that, but I would say the first 100 are goddamn it, the hardest. I was stuck in the 40s and the 50s for, I don't know. The number 44 is just imprinted in my brain because I couldn't surpass that at the very beginning. But we're not going to go down that right now. What you want to hear is what I did. So, post consistently is number one. And as a smaller channel, not even just once a week, you need to be posting once a day. But not just videos. Shorts are just as important, if not more important, for subscribers. Now, I've gotten quite a few subscribers off of videos, but I will say that shorts have shortened the amount of time drastically where it took me to get to this milestone. So long form content is definitely one that can't be overlooked. It's highly important that you do have long form content, but it's equally important that you have short term. Now, you're probably watching this video because you want to get monetized. Odds are your best bet is the 4,000 watched hour option. Now there is the other one, which it's like 10 million views of shorts in 90 days. And guys, I posted shorts every day and I didn't get even close. I didn't even get above like 100,000 views within a 90-day period. So the watched hours is definitely going to be your friend. Networking is another big thing, right? So talking to people in person. Hey, you know, like someone says, hey, you like my motorcycle? Oh, thank you. You want to subscribe to my YouTube channel? Things like that. I've done that a few times. Instagram, you know, I don't want to freaking annoy people with me asking them to follow me on YouTube or subscribe, but every once in a while I will drop a hey, subscribe to my, you know, just something. So those are a few. The posting frequently is a big one, guys. A big one, probably the most important. The second most important thing would be giving people content that they want to subscribe to. Now, you have to understand that every one of your hobbies is not unique, and what I mean by that is you're not the only one that enjoys that hobby. There's going to be thousands, if not hundreds or millions of people that enjoy doing the same things that you do. Motorcycles is one of them. The key to it all is to make a high quality video, visually, audio, right? You want to make that as high quality as you can, and you want to cut out all of the non-essential parts of your videos. If it's not going to add anything to the video, to the viewers viewing pleasure, that's the best way I could put it, then there's no point in keeping it in the video. And post editing is important, but something you need to be extremely aware of is it's gonna be a struggle. It's never gonna be you wake up and you gained 100 or subscribers overnight. It's just not gonna happen. I worked on this channel for over 3 years. You can look back at the dates as to which I posted videos, and you'll see that I was posting videos back in 2020, and we're back in 2024 now. Now, I took it not even close to as serious as I take it now, right? Like, I look at this like a second job. I don't make excuses when it comes to making videos and getting them uploaded. It takes time. But how do you get those views? What catches people's eyes? What are some things that have worked for me and what haven't worked for me? Now, something that I noticed pretty early on in this journey to 1,000 subscribers is the videos where I took little to no time on the thumbnail specifically got dramatically less views than the videos where I at least put some text and maybe some color editing into the thumbnail. You need to catch someone's eye, and you need to catch multiple people's eyes. So having a bland thumbnail is going to equate to having less viewers, which in turn leads to less success in potential subscribers. Another key thing, ask in the video for them to subscribe. You don't have to say it every 5 minutes. Just put it in the video somewhere early. This way, you know, it's in their head, and if they enjoy your content, they'll be like, you know what, I'll give this person a subscribe, right? And it's free, you know, it's all these things. You hear about it for the cheat codes to YouTube success and all these things. At the end of the day, there are no... I'm gonna go, so... At the end of the day, there are no cheat codes. The cheat code is how much work you're willing to put in to having a successful YouTube channel. Now, I'm by no means saying that my YouTube channel is successful, but we're getting there. So content is just as important as anything else that you could imagine, right? Now, another key takeaway is, would you subscribe to your own channel? And you have to look at it from a third person's point of view. First of all, would you enjoy your own content? Like if you were just some random person scrolling through YouTube, they see your video, would you find anything in that video either useful or enjoyable, right? Because me riding a motorcycle isn't necessarily useful for anybody, but it might be an escape, right? You can just watch a video. Maybe you can't have a motorcycle at this moment in time, but I do like to talk about the bike that I am riding, right? I like to give my unbiased opinion, because trust me, there are definitely some things I would have changed. I have changed about this bike, but I feel like I'm getting a little off topic here. So back to the how did I get my first 1,000 subscribers. All right, so I talked about uploading consistently. I talked about having good engagement on your videos, whether it's click-through rate or duration of the videos being watched. It's also important to look at the analytics of each and every individual video as time goes on, not just when you first post it, and see what has worked, and look at the videos that haven't worked and figure out what the difference between the two were, right? Analytics that YouTube gives you on YouTube Studio are gonna be your best friend. If you haven't paid attention to the data at which is given you, you're missing out. If you're just looking at view count, you're not really gonna get anywhere. So the biggest thing for me is engagement. How long do people watch my videos, right? And after like a week or so, it points out the highlighted areas of your video as to where people were watching the most. But anyway, guys, I hope I gave you a little bit of insight on how I got where I got. I know, once again, no cheat codes. It was kind of all over the place, but you know, it really is just being consistent and believing in yourself, not giving up, because trust me, you're gonna want to give up, especially if you're at the brand new stages, like you're gonna feel like you're not gonna make it. Quality of your videos matter, thumbnails matter, title and description definitely matter, because that's how the YouTube algorithm places your video. So don't neglect that description box when you're uploading. And yeah, but I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you on the next one. Ride safe.